Ever wake up feeling like your energy's stuck in second gear? Maybe your hands and feet are chilly, or, let's be honest, things down there aren't as spry as they used to be. Before you grab another coffee or some sketchy online pill, hold on. I've got one simple morning food, backed by solid science, that can boost your blood flow, recharge your energy, and make you feel alive again. And no, it's not some $50 smoothie fad. Stick around to discover a breakfast trick that'll have you feeling like you've turned back the clock. Ready? Let's go. If you're waking up sluggish or noticing weaker circulation, this video is for you. I'm sharing a dead simple morning nutrition plan to boost your vitality. No pills, no side effects, just foods that work. These aren't just healthy foods, they're packed with compounds that science from places like Harvard shows can transform your energy and confidence. Best part? It fits your life, whether you're golfing, chasing grandkids, or savoring your morning coffee. Let's start with my favorite circulation superstar. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Beets for breakfast? Seriously? I had the same reaction when I first read the research. But trust me, beets are a game changer. A 2017 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that 7 ounces of beet juice boosts nitric oxide levels by 21% in just 45 minutes. Nitric oxide tells your blood vessels to relax, letting blood flow freely to your muscles, brain, and other key areas. My patients often feel more alert within an hour. Don't worry, you don't need to chug earthy beet juice. Mix a quarter cup with orange juice and a pinch of ginger for a sweet, refreshing sip. Or blend half a cup of cooked beets into a smoothie with berries and a banana. You'll barely taste them. If you're an eggs and toast fan, roast beets the night before at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. They turn sweet and pair great with eggs. Your blood vessels will thank you. Now, here's one you'll love. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're nature's candy and circulation powerhouses. A 14-year Harvard study in circulation found that regular berry eaters cut their risk of circulation issues by 14%. Why? Anthocyanins, the compounds behind their vibrant colors, repair artery walls and boost nitric oxide. I had a patient, Tom, 67, who added blueberries to his yogurt and said, "Doc, my morning walks feel easier and my brain fog's gone." Fresh or frozen, berries work. Toss a handful on oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or mix with Greek yogurt and honey. Consistency is key. Eat them most mornings for cumulative benefits. Good old oats are a breakfast classic for a reason. They're cheap, filling, and packed with L-arginine, which your body turns into nitric oxide. A 2020 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study showed oats beta-glucan fiber lowers bad cholesterol by up to 7%, keeping arteries clear. Cook steel-cut or rolled oats with a pinch of cinnamon, another circulation booster. Top with berries, and add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed for omega-3s. It's a triple threat bowl that keeps you full and energized. Start tomorrow. Add a quarter cup of beet juice, mixed with orange juice, or a handful of berries to your breakfast. Build up to an oat bowl with berries and flaxseed. After weeks, expect steady energy, sharper focus, warmer hands, and better stamina. Circulation fuels vitality everywhere. If this resonates, hit subscribe to keep these tips coming.